2008 Toyota Camry. Trunk latch is sticking after using the key fob to open the trunk. We've got a tab here, a tab here. There's our latch. Tab here, and the tab there. Simply pull the center out and then pull the tab out. What you have, pull the carpeting down, the cover down. You have the cover that goes over the trunk latch like that. You pull back on the back side of it, it unclips, slides off, exposing the trunk latch. You have a 10mm bolt here, a 10mm bolt there that you need to remove the trunk latch. And we'll be right back. Alright, once you get this open, you unplug your connector here, and then over here, this yellow tab, you snap it over and pull the rod down, which then releases our trunk latch. We're able to slide the new one in and go back together just like we took it out. Thanks.